A convoy of ordinary-looking trucks suddenly transformed into something no one expected. Within moments, a drone accelerated down an electromagnetic launch track and lifted into the sky, revealing a capability that had previously existed only in photos and speculation. In this video, we will explore what China has officially demonstrated and why this mobile launch system is attracting global attention. For months, analysts had been discussing images of a mysterious group of specialized trucks spotted aboard the cargo vessel Zhong 79. The vehicles appeared unusual, but there was no proof they actually worked as intended. That uncertainty has now changed with the release of new footage showing the system operating for the first time. The video begins with what looks like 3 specially designed trucks connected together into one long launch platform. Moments later, a fixed-wing drone is positioned on the track before accelerating rapidly and lifting smoothly into the air. Although the aircraft itself is relatively small compared with larger unmanned platforms under development around the world, the real focus is the launch system beneath it. As the footage continues, viewers see the trucks separating and driving independently before reconnecting again. This demonstrates one of the system's biggest advantages. Instead of existing as one permanent structure, the launcher can travel as individual vehicles and then assemble wherever it is needed. That flexibility immediately distinguishes it from conventional launch facilities. Another interesting feature appears during the maneuvering sequence. The connected trucks perform remarkably tight turns using an advanced all-wheel steering system. Rather than requiring a large area to reposition, the launcher can rotate into different directions while remaining fully connected. This could allow operators to align the system more efficiently, depending on environmental conditions. The latest footage also reveals protective covers mounted over portions of the launcher during transportation. These covers likely help shield sensitive equipment while the vehicles are moving between locations. Perhaps the most significant development is that the demonstration confirms this launcher is not an isolated experiment. Graphics released alongside the footage connect it with a much larger family of modular containerized systems that include sensors, communication equipment, and other mobile support platforms. At first glance, many people may assume the electromagnetic launcher itself is the main story. In reality, the technology behind electromagnetic launch has been studied for years. What makes this system stand out is not simply how it launches an aircraft, but where that launch can take place. Traditional launch facilities depend on permanent infrastructure. They require carefully prepared locations that cannot easily move if operational needs change. By contrast, this modular launcher is designed around mobility from the beginning. Every major component travels on its own specialized vehicle, allowing the complete system to relocate far more easily than fixed installations. That approach creates an entirely different level of flexibility. Instead of relying on one dedicated launch point, operators could potentially transport the equipment to a wide variety of suitable locations. Once there, the trucks connect into a complete launch track before returning to independent movement after operations are complete. The modular design also raises interesting engineering possibilities. Different track lengths may eventually support different categories of aircraft. While current demonstrations involve a relatively small drone, future configurations could potentially be adjusted as new aircraft designs emerge. The concept itself appears designed to evolve rather than remain fixed around one platform. Another feature attracting attention is the system's compact transportation profile. Because each section travels separately, the launcher becomes much easier to move along existing road networks. It also simplifies storage and transportation compared with moving one enormous structure. The possibility of placing the launcher aboard ships has generated additional discussion among analysts. Earlier images showed similar equipment transported on a cargo vessel, suggesting that maritime deployment is at least being explored. If such concepts continue developing, ordinary ships could eventually support new operational roles without requiring extensive structural redesign. However, many important questions remain unanswered. The power source capable of supporting repeated electromagnetic launches has not been publicly explained. Observers also do not know how quickly drones can be positioned between launches or how much maintenance the equipment requires during continuous use. While the drone launch captured headlines, the broader picture may prove even more important over time. The launcher appears to be only one component within a much larger family of modular systems designed to operate together. That integrated approach is what makes this announcement particularly interesting. The accompanying graphics illustrate containerized equipment serving multiple purposes beyond aircraft launches. Mobile sensor units, communication platforms, electronic support equipment, and other specialized modules appear designed to operate alongside the launcher. Each performs a different task, but together they create a flexible network that can be assembled according to specific mission requirements. This modular philosophy reflects a growing trend in modern engineering. Instead of building one enormous permanent installation, developers increasingly create smaller systems that can be combined in different ways. Such an approach allows organizations to adapt more quickly as technologies improve or operational priorities change. Drone technology also continues evolving at an extraordinary pace. New designs become lighter, smarter, and more capable every year. A mobile launch platform provides developers with another option for operating these aircraft without depending entirely on conventional airfields. That flexibility could support scientific surveys, emergency response activities, environmental monitoring, infrastructure inspection, or maritime observation. Another interesting aspect is scalability. If the modular approach proves successful, future versions could potentially support additional vehicle types, longer launch tracks, or entirely new mission profiles. Because the design consists of separate components rather than one fixed structure, upgrades may be introduced incrementally instead of replacing the complete system. International observers will undoubtedly continue monitoring future demonstrations closely. The first public launch answers one important question by confirming that the concept functions outside computer renderings. At the same time, many other questions remain open regarding efficiency, endurance, operating costs, maintenance requirements, and deployment speed. The next stage of development will likely be even more informative than the first demonstration. Analysts will watch for repeated testing, different aircraft types, extended operating periods, and evidence that the launcher integrates successfully with the wider family of containerized technologies introduced alongside it. The newly released footage marks an important milestone because it transforms an intriguing concept into a demonstrated technology. For the first time, the world has seen China's truck-mounted electromagnetic launch system assemble, maneuver, and successfully launch a drone. Even so, many technical details remain undisclosed, leaving engineers and analysts with plenty to study in the years ahead. Whether this system becomes widely adopted or remains a specialized capability, it has already sparked an important conversation about the future of mobile launch technologies. As more demonstrations emerge, we'll gain a clearer understanding of where this innovative concept is ultimately heading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spacescience.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.